What's up, everybody? This is Corey from My 2 Cents, and we're going to have a quick review on this Lifetime Adventure Deluxe Playset. You can see it came in the crate off to the right. Here's all the pieces laid out. It was definitely a large shipment. Doesn't require a lot of tools to put together. A electric drill, a 3/8" drill bit, Allen tools, a socket wrench, probably stuff you already have lying around the house. I was able to put it together by myself, although it's recommended to have 2 people to assist in attaching the swing arm and the roof. Those 2 are the most difficult, but I was able to complete them without any assistance. The playset itself was about $2,000. You can get it without the deluxe, which is without the monkey bars and the fire pole, for about $16.50. I'll throw some links down below, and you can check those out. Now, when I was putting the playset together and I had just the base without the plastic panels on the side, it didn't seem like it was very sturdy. After assembling, I can definitely say this thing is sturdy. It will withstand some serious wind. Now you can see that from the fence, it doesn't seem like my ladder is very far for the playset. Doing the old foot measurement, we're about 4 feet from the fence, but it still allows plenty of room for the kids to jump and play. On the side here, it does have a climbing wall. There are 2 of them on the playset. You can see that the upper attachment is all metal. Provides a lot of shade on the interior, has 2 doors and 4 windows. Lots of grab bars around the top of the tower. A lot of safety bars also. It has 2 swings, monkey bars, and a gymnast bar. I don't know what you call that thing. The monkey bars are about 6 feet using the old foot measurement from the fence. Plenty of room to jump off and play around the playset without issue. They do recommend a larger safety barrier, but it doesn't seem like you have to have that. The swings are pretty far from the fence. Definitely no way that they're going to fly out of them and hit the fence even. It'd be very unlikely. It is a nice powder coat finish. I didn't have any dings or scrapes or any mishaps on my equipment when it arrived. The fire pole itself is staked into the ground, so it's also very sturdy. On the interior of the platform, you have a nice car path with some outlines for stores and whatnot, ABCs and 1, 2, 3s around the plastic sides, and the roof itself has some swirls built in, so when it rains, the rain will run off in specific areas of the playground. The slide does get a little bit hot, so I might come up with an idea of how to cool that down in the future. I'm giving it all my force here to kind of shake this thing. It does have a little bit of shake, but it is very sturdy. When my kids play on it, you don't see it rattle around at all. It does come with 2 stakes that you drive into the ground also. I would definitely purchase this playset over a wooden playset. It's a lot sturdier. It seems like it'll last a lot longer. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Catch you in the next one. Peace.